welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching today. I want to talk about drop D tuning. So basically my guitar is in standard tuning from the 5th string down, A, D, G, B, E, but I've taken my top low D string and I've gone down one full step to D. You can tune with me, get your tuner out. And I just want to talk about a simple approach, to playing the blues, blues licks, or the pentatonic scale or the blues scale. If you're just jamming by yourself and using that drumming low D against the other notes that you're throwing against it. And one of the most important notes you can use against that D is the F, which is the minor third. So if you had D, E, F, that's the third note up. That's your minor third. So if you know your minor pentatonic scale, you can just play everything in, D minor pentatonic, or throw the tritone in there with the blues scale. So a really simple scale you could use is 5, 8 on the 5th string, going down to the 4th string. On the D string, I have 5, 7, 5, 7 on the G string. I'm going to go 6 to 8 on the B string. And I'll go 5, 8 on the high E string. So if you have like your D power chord down here, I like to grab this F note and just kind of tug on that little. And when you're in drop D, instead of playing like a normal power chord like this, you can just stack. You can bar all 3 of these top 3 strings to get your power chord. So say I'm up here at the 5th fret, and I hold my index finger on the top 3. That's giving me that's a G in drop D. It's a really fun thing to mess around with. Say you're up here in like first position and you're doing your minor pentatonic. It's fun to bend the notes against that low ringing D note. Another position to use if you're in this drop D is if you're down here and you have 3, 5, 3, 5 on the 5th and 4th string, against that open D note. give it a try. It's I could sit here all day, just noodle around with that. So I hope you get something out of that. Thanks for watching. Take care.